Welcome back to another self-help video. I'm going to show you how to temporarily fix your Keurig machine while you're waiting for your replacement parts to arrive. So on our Keurig machine, our needle valve down here broke. That punctures the bottom of the K-cup. It would normally puncture it on the corner here to allow the fluid to drain out into your cup. So to temporarily fix this, all we need to do is puncture the bottom of our K-cup, and what I'm going to do is just that. I have just a corkscrew here that I'm going to use, and all you need is you don't need a big hole. To make sure it's enough where the fluids will come out, the coffee will come out. You can compare if you have an older one that you used before you discarded them. Take a look and you can get an idea of how it looks. There's no coffee grounds in the bottom here. There's a filter up here, and that's where all the grounds are, so nothing will come out. But you want to insert this into the machine. This will be towards the bottom here, because that's where all the where your needle valve would be. So put that towards the bottom, as such. And see there, our needle valve does exist on the top, it just doesn't exist on the bottom. So normally close it, and normally however you like your coffee, once this is done preheating here, you normally would set it for how you like it and press your whatever features you want, and then hit go here. So while that's doing that, our replacement parts did come in, and I have them over here. I'm going to show you exactly how to install those also. So what we're going to do now is go ahead and start it, and what you'll see is it should work perfect. Once that's finished, I will take that out, and I'll show you the older unit or the new unit and how to replace it. It's pretty simple. We're lucky ours is covered under warranty. One thing is, when you do this with the hot chocolate cups, it doesn't work too well. You experiment, make a bigger hole in the bottom to see if that works for you. But I know for coffee it works perfect. It only took 3 days for the part to come in, but God forbid we be without coffee for 3 days. So this is just about finishing up here. Awesome. So I'll go ahead and put the camera down, and we'll open that up, and we'll go ahead and replace it. While that's brewing, I just want to show you. Here's the new one. Here's that needle valve I was telling you about. It's right down in there. You can see that. The old unit doesn't have it, and I'll show you. Let's move our coffee to the side. Lift this up. Take our coffee out. K-cup out, and this just pulls out. So all you have to do is just pulls out very easily, just like that. And this is our old unit, and this is our new unit to the left. And you can see the old one, there's no needle valve in the bottom, and here's our new one, it has a new needle valve. The other thing it also gives you is this tray, and mine will put the new tray in, and the tray comes out fairly simple. You just pull this out, put it aside, put your new tray in, and here's your new unit with the new needle valve right there. I did use it already. I just put it, so maybe look a little, have some coffee grounds in there. I just wanted to show you how to do this before I throw the old one away. And so that's it. Put it in there, and you'll be good to go. You'll be able to start brewing your coffee in no time while you're waiting for your replacement parts to arrive. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And remember, if funk can do, so can you. Peace, guys.